In this video, I will show you how to configure a TP-Link router as an access point. Follow the steps slowly, and you will have everything working in just a few minutes. Before we begin, I also want to remind you how important it is to stay safe online. A VPN protects your privacy, hides your activity, and makes your internet connection more secure. NordVPN is one of the best options available today. It is fast, simple to use, and trusted by millions of people. You will find the special NordVPN link in the description, and I will explain more about it at the end of the video. Let's start. This method uses the inbuilt operation mode. First, connect your computer to the TP-Link router using an Ethernet cable. It is better to use a cable for this setup because it gives you a stable connection. Then open your web browser and log in to the router's web interface. If you have never logged in before, the login address is usually printed on a label at the bottom of the router. Once you are inside the admin panel, go to the Advanced tab. If your TP-Link router has an operation mode option, you can easily switch its working mode from router to access point. Select access point mode and click Save. The router will reboot and reload its configuration. This may take around 1 minute. When the reboot finishes, you will get logged out. This is normal. Just log back in again. After you log in, you can set the access point's Wi-Fi name and password. You will notice that there are fewer menu options on the left side. This is because some features like parental controls, access control, QoS, NAT forwarding, and VPN functions do not work when the router is in access point mode. Now you need to connect the TP-Link router to your main router. Take an Ethernet cable and plug one end into any LAN port on your main router. Then plug the other end into the WAN port of the TP-Link router. This gives the access point internet through the main router. At this point, you can connect any device to the TP-Link access point, either using a cable or Wi-Fi. This is how you can set up a TP-Link router as a wireless access point. It is simple once you follow each step slowly. Before we end, let me give you one more helpful tip. When you extend your Wi-Fi network, your devices may connect to different access points depending on signal strength. This can expose your online traffic to your internet provider or to anyone on public networks if you travel. A VPN helps protect your connection by encrypting your data. NordVPN is one of the most secure and fastest VPN services available today. If you want to try NordVPN at a discounted price, I have included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions, asked money-back guarantee, so there is zero risk in trying it out. And if you are watching this on your TV, you can scan this QR code with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.